on this composition you'll have about 6 pieces. So initially I'm just going to kind of sketch out this line here, maybe get the height of it. Actually that's probably all I'll need right now, just kind of estimating this, just lightly sketching it out so I can see what's happening, how I like this piece. Maybe I want it taller. And again, trying to use the straight edge as a T-square and a triangle combination. I'm just lining these 2 lines here at the base of the paper here. So put the pen there, kind of line up that edge, give myself the vertical line right there. Okay. I don't know how far it's going to go back, so I'm going to give myself a light blue pencil line here and here just to keep it accurate. So watch when I go back to this vanishing point. I line it up with it, but I'm only doing this segment. I'm not drawing all the way back to the edge because now I have the final piece. Don't have to do it there. Line the vanishing point with the pen to the bottom of this line segment. I made a little blue line just to help me get it set up right there. This time I'm actually going to go to the top up, so I'll show it to you. Let me just finish this off since I made my line. I'm just going to backtrack just a little bit for you into the blue. So here's the blue line. Here's this point going to the right vanishing point, way off to the side here. So I'm just going to reverse just a little bit what I did. Okay. I need to find the top box, so I'm just going to line this up to the right vanishing point, not draw it all the way back. Do the same with this one to the left. And it's easy to put the pencil down or pen down and draw a little bit of the line segment there. So I'm going to make this a little bit taller. So to find the center, I just need the center of this. So I don't need to cross the whole line, I just have to estimate the center distance. Find that point. So there's the point. Take the straight edge and say, well, I'm going to bring it up about this tall. I might make it a little taller. So put the pencil right on the center point. Line up the base to the paper. And just extend this line up a bit. You can even just put a point there if I need to. And just rotate it to all 3 sides. The one's almost going to be right down the center. And this one's going to go right over to there. So now I have this. I kind of did it a little different than the first one, but it gives me a little bit to work with. Now this set of drawings, we'll try to keep them on the ground to cast some shadows at the end. Not yet, but we'll just kind of get set up there. So there you have it, all placed in 2-point perspective. And now when the light source comes, you can decide whether you want it from the right or the left. So I'm going to have it coming from the right. So again, once you have the linear part, now it's just a time to establish the values. And as I do these lines, I'm not doing it super accurate, but I can make those hatch lines go towards that vanishing point. It starts to build up that value. Same with this angle. Again, you can use the straight edge or even a piece of paper for that matter to give yourself a line. I'll show you both. So that's the line. It's just a scrap piece of paper that has the straight edge to it. So I can lay that right there. And it's a little easier to draw from, so you don't have the plastic in the way. You just draw right over it. And again, it finds that edge. It helps you locate it. Same on the other side. This is going to be the light side, so I just have to lose that edge just a little bit. I'm going to try to do it on this side. And same with the direction of the hatch lines. You can also go directly to this vanishing point. It's just trying to just get enough shadow on there just to lose that line on the brightest side. Let's see how it comes across there. again, you're just trying to lose this edge again here. So this direction so far I've just done the hatch lines, haven't crossed anything. Now I can come this direction. And you're trying to get it almost as a fine gradation from dark to light, so it shows the reflected light. And it's just a solid shape there. So again, just kind of find the transition, taking that piece away.